A prayer for forgiveness. Lord, I come to you with a humble heart. I know there are places in me that need healing, words I've spoken that wounded, thoughts I've entertained that didn't honor you, actions I regret. I don't come with excuses. I come with honesty. I need your forgiveness. Search me, God. Reveal what I've tried to hide, not to shame me, but to free me. I don't want to carry guilt. I want to walk in grace. Let your mercy wash over me like a cleansing rain, softening the hardened places and restoring what's been broken. And as I receive your forgiveness, help me to extend it to those who've hurt me, to those I've held resentment toward. I don't want bitterness to take root in my heart. I want to be free. I want to love with open hands and a healed spirit. When I struggle to forgive, remind me of the cross. Remind me that grace was given when none was earned. Let that truth soften my pride and quiet my need for justice. Help me release the weight of offense, not because it didn't matter, but because you offer a better way, a way that heals instead of hardens, a way that frees instead of binds. I release the need to fix everything on my own. I lay down the pressure to be perfect, the fear of being unworthy, and the weight of past mistakes. I choose to trust your heart more than my history. Let your love rewrite the story I've been carrying. Forgiveness isn't easy, but it's holy. It's the path to peace. It's the doorway to restoration. Teach me to forgive like you do, fully, freely, without conditions. Let your example guide me, and let your spirit empower me. Thank you for never turning away when I come to you. Thank you for grace that never runs dry. I receive your forgiveness, and I choose to walk in freedom today. Let my life reflect the mercy I've been given. Amen. Forgiveness opens the door to freedom. If this prayer helped you take a step toward healing, subscribe and stay close. Let grace guide your journey, one prayer at a time.